I am working on a clean hair, okay? So first things first, I'm going to start by combing the hair just like so, and then after which I'll just go ahead and take my Ratail comb and I'm going to split the hair. I'm going to have like a side part just like you can see in the video, okay? So this hairstyle is perfect for school, work, brunch, and I love how everything came out. So be sure to stick around and watch the video till the end and see how I achieve this hair. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. After securing the back part of my hair, I'll be using this gel. It's called Miss Sunshine. I'm going to use it to to help me clean out the part, and also I'm just applying it on to the roots of my natural hair, okay, so that it will be kind of easier for me to like slick it down, okay. So I'm just splitting, I'm just making sure that my parts are like nice and clean, and then after that I'll just go ahead and take my bristle brush and I'm going to use it to smoothen in the gel, okay. And then after I am done, I will start doing the contour. So I'm going to be using my Ratail comb to split just a little section at the front part of the hair, and then I'm going to start doing the contour, okay. So it's going all the way across as you guys are seeing in the video.
Can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons to make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've made it less, so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon and my own.
So guys, because my hair is short, I'm going to add a smaller piece of Brazil hair, okay, onto my, as I do the contour. So I'm going to add it towards the end, okay, because it will be, it will make my work easier for me when I'll be putting this hair into a ponytail. But if your hair is long, you don't have to add an extension, okay. If you're new here, you're most welcome. I do create hair content, and if you enjoy watching hair tutorials, or if you want to learn to know how to do your own hair at the comfort of your home, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. And again, don't forget to share this video to your friends, invite your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So guys, I'm not able to continue with the voiceover because there's some construction going around and I feel like it is too noisy, okay. So I'm just going to let this video play so that you all can see and understand exactly what I'm doing. And if you will, again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
control, we're overcomplicating how love flows. Hollow shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the real.